see a cup or something in there?
No, let me see if I got something. Have to do a little modifications to this front end. Here you go. Cut half of this in half. Place this bottom piece that's damaged. I'm gonna make it back together with that beast over there. It's more than one way to skin a cat. Since he don't want to take all this off, it's gonna take too long. We're just gonna cut where it's damaged. Match it with this one, cut it where it's damaged, keep that piece. Replace that bottom piece after he moved those hoses out the way. What year Mustang is this?
99.
99 Mustang.
Yeah, it go through that 99 through 04 is the same body style.
Oh, okay. 9904 had that same body style. Okay.
99
I like this body style. Actually, it looks a little tougher.
Yeah, it do.
It don't look like a, you know, it almost look like a. It looks like a real muscle car anyway.
Yeah.
I remember back in the day seeing the players pull up in the drop top Mustangs.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, you couldn't beat one of them, boy.
Oh, gee. This joke is him.
It's almost off too. I can see it. You ain't got too much more to go. It's like maybe halfway.
Yeah.
That's how they be though when they sit up for a long time.
Yeah, man.
It's just been sitting up for a minute. We're getting a hog on. Like Phoenix.